The adventure begins. Mount Washington in winter.
The mountain road stretched before me, a white ribbon through the storm. The wind howled and the snow...
Welcome back, everybody. Today we are driving through the most incredible mountain landscape I've ever seen. Wow, I made it. Let's do this. The wind is picking up and the path ahead looks steep. The railway is close, but there's a long way to go. All right, this looks promising. Maybe over there near those trees. Yes, that'll do. All right, time to clear this spot near the tracks. Plenty of snow, but the boots and gloves should handle it. Just need a solid debris-free space to set up for the night. All right, this mountain isn't gonna defeat me. Just a little more pressure. Perfect. Finally, shelter. Ready for anything now. Ah, that's much better. Good to be inside. All right, mat down first. Winter bag shaken out. Pillow and blanket on top, ready for a warm night. Everything in its place, just like I like it. Ready for the morning. The perfect antidote to the cold morning. So peaceful out here. Time for a new day. Let's do this. The mountain stood, a silent witness to a journey already begun. The tracks lay dormant, waiting for warmer days. The perfect shot. Mount Washington in the morning light is truly something else. Yeah.
The railway adds a unique touch.
The mountain stands eternal, silent witness to a journey defined by freedom.
Fresh prints. And so close to the tracks. Something's not right here.
I saw it trapped between the icy tracks. It wasn't moving. I had to help. The ice was solid around its leg.
The mountain stands silent, but the danger approaches. The warning sound echoes, a reminder of the impending threat.
Hold on, little one. It's okay. I'm getting it out. Please, don't struggle. We're almost there. Just a little more.
Come on, you got it. Just a little further. The train passes, leaving the world quiet once more. The tension released, just snow and the mountain air. In this quiet moment, I realize how much I have to be grateful for. The mountain stands silent, cold, and unforgiving, demanding a constant state of readiness. The mountain stands silent, cold, and unforgiving, demanding a constant state of readiness. Dry. That'll catch quick. All right, dry wood here. I need to keep the fire going tonight. I need more branches, just a few more. Keep chopping, just a few more pieces. All right, now this bundle is secure. I gotta get this back before it gets any darker. Keep moving. All right, wood's here. Ready for that lunch. Ensuring a clear space for the fire is crucial in these conditions. Yes, finally got it. This is gonna be good. Time to warm up with some lunch. Just need these fresh veggies in here. This is gonna be delicious. The scent of the forest, the dance of the flames. Oh, there's nothing quite like this. Dinner will be ready soon. All right, time for some lunch. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? The silence of the winter woods is exactly what I needed. Ah, the simple pleasure of a hot meal
and a warm tent when it's cold outside. This is perfect.
Time to face the winter. The mountain stands tall and silent, a testament to nature's enduring power. It is a breathtaking and magnificent sight.
The perfect moment requires perfect preparation. These peaks, this light, it all aligns tonight.
The mountain stands as a silent guardian, a testament to the journey ahead.
The silence here reminds me of everything I left behind and everything I've found. All right, this should be perfect. Safety first, always. Time to gather some wood for a fire. Keep warm out here. Ah, yes, just what I needed. So good to feel that warmth. All right, time to warm up and get this dinner going. Looking forward to this. All right, time to warm up and get this dinner going. Time for some well-deserved warmth and a hearty meal. Just what I needed. I have my fragrant basmati rice, my blend of aromatic spices, and my perfectly cooked meat. Everything is ready for a delicious biryani. All right, time to mix these spices in. Almost ready. The biryani is cooked to perfection, smells incredible. It feels good to finally enjoy this. Just look at this. The mountain air, a warm fire. Nothing beats a hot meal after a long day in the cold. The mountain air tonight is truly something special. Come on in. It's warm and cozy in here. The perfect winter evening, sitting by the fire as the snow falls. The world outside is a symphony of quiet beauty, but in the comfort of the fire. The world outside is cold, but here there is a deep peace.
The world slows down here, a peaceful moment in the heart of winter's embrace.
I could stay here forever. It's so peaceful and warm inside, even with the snow outside. Just perfect. The snow is fresh, the air is cold, but the fire keeps us warm. It's the perfect night.
The mountain air grew cold, but here, beside the fire, the day's journey faded into a peaceful mountain night.
What a beautiful morning. All right, I'm here. Thanks for waiting. Anytime, hop in. Been on the road for days, but the journey through these mountains felt like the true start of the adventure. Thanks for joining me on this journey to Mount Washington. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe for more.